Have you ever seen a raccoon with blonde fur? These rare, golden raccoons are a beautiful twist on the usual raccoon look. Their fur isn't gray or black, but a light sunlit shade of brown or gold, almost as if nature added its own special filter. Blonde raccoons are rare, and their color is due to a genetic variation that reduces melanin, the pigment that usually gives raccoons their dark coat. They still have the familiar black mask and ringtail, but with softer, paler markings that set them apart. While this unique look is stunning, it actually makes blonde raccoons stand out more, which can put them at risk from predators. Spotting one is truly a rare experience, like finding nature's hidden gem. So next time you're in raccoon territory, keep an eye out. You just might catch a glimpse of this golden rarity.